In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your Roku Express, and in order to do that we can do it multiple ways actually. So the first one is using the Roku Pilot right here, and simply navigate to TV off icon. It looks like this when your Roku is enabled, and click OK. So now it will turn off, and now let's power it on again. And the second way is to disable the TV by its normal pilot. Simply power it off. Let's try it again. So now it works. And the third way is to simply do it without remote control. Walk up to your TV, and if it has any buttons, simply turn it off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.